All right, so review from yesterday. We had the various Partido Alto parts, and we talked about transitioning between Samba and into Partido. And so let's start with that. So we've got Partido 1 is the rhythm that comes in on the E after 1. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. So the thing we practice coming in with that first slap and making sure it's right after the downbeat. 1 E and a 2 E and a. You can also put in the slap heel toe. So 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a. Now, how does that work going from Samba? Well, Samba, we have a downbeat on 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So to go to the Partido, we're going to leave that downbeat there and then go straight from the 1 into our slap. Okay, so instead of thumb toe, we're going to go thumb slap. So let's try that with just the very sparse slaps, no heel toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1. I'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And we also talked about how it might even make it easier to go right into the slap heel toe. So that'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to Samba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay. And we also talked about how to get from Partido 1 back to Samba. And there you actually have to add a thumb. Because normally you're not playing in Partido 1, you're not playing on 1. Because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And there's that space there. So what you're going to have to do to get back to Samba is the side of the rhythm that has the 2 thumbs, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. On the 2 side, you're going to have to add an extra thumb. It'll look like this. That boom, boom, boom. And that boom is 1 again in your Samba. So here's what that sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. You see I added that extra thumb. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Right, so boom, boom, boom. Here we go. And it works the same way with the back. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Going back to regular Samba, here it comes. So now you have your transitions from Samba to Partido 1 back to Samba. With Partido 2, it's simpler because the downbeat on 1 is in both rhythms. Because remember, Partido 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So going from that to Samba and back should be pretty straightforward. So you're in your Samba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 4. I messed up. Let me try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Going back to Samba and Samba. Partido 2. Here we go. 1. Back to Samba. Okay, so that's the idea there. So then moving on to the jungle Samba, we had these sort of 3 different things happening last night, which was really nice. have your basic jungle samba, which was the thumb, toe, heel, slap, thumb, toe, heel, slap, thumb, bird, thumb, toe, heel, slap, thumb, toe, heel, slap. And it should, at tempo, should sound like this. And we talked a lot about how the left hand is really going to help you guys there, because if you're just trying to go thumb, toe, heel, slap, thumb, toe, heel, slap, you can do it, but I can tell you now that's a lot of effort, and it's not going to flow as well as if you're getting this in here. So we talked about just the working on toe heel, thumb, toe heel, slap, thumb, toe heel, slap. And in fact, we even did it where we took out the toe heel and just made a turn instead. I didn't say this last night, but that could also be a lift. But I like either of those exercises to get that emphasis on the left hand. So when you bring the right hand back in, you're not thinking, go get it, thumb, toe, heel, slap, but the toe heel is coming to you. And I was mentioning just the triplet exercise of thumb, toe, heel, thumb, toe, heel, thumb, toe, heel, thumb, toe, heel, with the turn on the left hand. Will really help this rhythm get going. And the other thing we talked about is how to transfer from that into our funk pattern. So at a medium tempo, here comes the funk. Back to jungle samba. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you slow that way down, the funk probably starts to get a little too slow. But that's a good tempo to practice it. Eventually what we're looking for is etc. Now, for the advanced stuff, Heather, what we were working on was this different groove to play while the other guys are doing this. One, two, sorry. We were going to double time. We were going to be double timing. So, doom, do, do, ja, doom, do, ja. We were boom, 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 ba, boom, 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 ba, boom, ba, boom, 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 ba, boom. And we were playing slap, dum, bird, bird, dum, bird, slap, dum, bird, bird, dum, bird, slap, dum, bird, bird, slap, slap. Doom, do, do, da, doom, da, 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 doom, da, doom, do, do, da, doom, da, 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 doom, da. And then we tried those triplets. Can't sing the jungle samba while playing that, so you're just gonna have to picture it. You're gonna have to imagine. Doom, do, do, ja, doom, do, do, ja, doom, ja. Doom, do, do, da, doom, do, do, da, doom, da. And then we added this tan-tan part, and for you, when we're doing this arrangement, and we can record this all together next week, but that tan-tan part for the same groove, I had you playing tone, 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 slap, mute, slap, tone, slap, tone, 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 slap, mute, slap, tone, slap. So our tempo, boom, cuckoo, ka, boom, cuckoo, ka, boom, ka, boom, cuckoo, ka, boom, cuckoo, ka, boom, ka. your basic tone, 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 slap, mute, slap, tone, slap. And a nice easy way to find this against the jungle samba is that your right hand is playing boom, 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 bop. Boom, 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 bop. And they're going doom, 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 bop, right? Doom, bop, 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 doom, bop, 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 boom, 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 boom. And you're playing boom, boom, sorry. It seems like I'm adding a mute there. Like I'm noticing myself doing that. So feel free to add that to the part because I think it fills it out a little bit. Tone, 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 slap, mute, slap, tone, slap, mute, tone, 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 slap, mute, slap, tone, slap, mute. I think we could actually have some fun messing around with that. So those three parts together, the jungle samba, the double time, slap, thumb, bird, bird, thumb, and then this tom-tom part makes that full arrangement we were doing. All right, a lot of information here. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I will see you all soon.